In this video, we compare 4K camera GPS drone and HS600 4K camera drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The 4K camera GPS drone comes equipped with a built-in 4K camera that captures high-resolution images and videos, providing a rich and detailed view from various angles. The drone is designed with brushless motors and comes with 2 intelligent batteries, supporting a long flight time of up to 50 minutes and a long range of up to 1 kilometers. This GPS drone features a follow me, tap fly, and circle fly function, enabling users to capture perfect shots automatically and film like a pro. It also boasts a GPS auto return feature, ensuring high precision flying and the ability to return to the takeoff point at the press of a button or in low battery and signal lost conditions. The drone is equipped with smart functions such as optical flow, altitude hold for precise and stable hovering, and a headless mode, one-key start, and speed adjustment for easy control. The remote controller is rechargeable, eliminating the need for AAA batteries, and the drone is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel, aerial photography, and outdoor activities. The Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone is equipped with a dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization that ensures rock-solid flight stability while capturing breathtaking 4K video and 12 megapixel stills. It boasts a 10,000 feet range transmission, thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi repeater transmission, allowing users to explore a wide variety of terrains and capture great photos. The HS600 drone has a remarkable flight time of 56 minutes, thanks to its dual battery setup, providing ample time for uninterrupted aerial filming. The drone also features a level 6 wind resistance, allowing it to withstand strong winds and ensuring unwavering stability during flight. The HS600 drone's GPS intelligent return-to-home function provides added security, enabling one-key return, lost signal return, and low battery return features. Finally, the HS600 drone is beginner-friendly with its follow mode and waypoint mode, making it easier for enthusiasts to transition into experts. Both the 4K camera GPS drone and the HS600 4K camera drone are superior choices for consumers interested in high-quality drone photography and videography. The 4K camera GPS drone offers a long flight time of up to 50 minutes and a range of up to 1 kilometers, making it suitable for extended outdoor activities. Its built-in 4K camera and various smart features, such as follow me, tap fly, and circle fly function, offer users the ability to capture professional-grade footage with ease. The HS600 4K camera drone, on the other hand, stands out with its dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization, ensuring stable flight and high-quality 4K video capture. Its impressive flight time of 56 minutes and a range of up to 10,000 feet provide users with ample time and distance for exploration. The HS600 also boasts level 6 wind resistance, making it a sturdy choice for outdoor activities. In terms of price, the 4K camera GPS drone is more affordable, while the HS600 offers advanced features at a higher price point. Both drones receive high review scores, indicating customer satisfaction. In conclusion, the decision between these two drones depends on the specific needs and budget of the consumer. Both drones offer unique features that cater to different user preferences, making them both excellent choices in their own right.